Supath AI is an agentic research assistant for Indian markets. It queries real data, not memory, before it answers anything. Sign in once, and it remembers your portfolio and every conversation you've had with it. Your portfolio sits alongside the assistant, so it can reason about what you actually hold, not a generic stock. Starting a new chat is where the real work happens. This is where you'd ask about a stock. Let's ask, how is KIRLOSENG positioned? Pros and cons. It's pulling data and computing indicators now. The answer comes back as pros, cons, and what to watch, never a buy or sell call, with filings cited by source and date, linking straight to the exchange PDF. Any market term inside the answer is clickable. Tap it, and a plain English explanation opens right there, without ever leaving the answer itself. It suggests what to ask next. Every conversation you've had stays saved, so you can pick up where you left off. Billing is usage-based. You pay for the actual tokens each question costs, and it's all itemized here. Your holdings can be entered by hand or synced straight from your broker, so the assistant always knows what you actually own. Any symbol can be charted right inside the chat, candles or line, daily, weekly, or monthly, with moving averages layered over the price to spot trend. Zooming out to weekly, then monthly, strips away the daily noise and shows you the longer trend. Useful when you're thinking in quarters, not just the next few days. Adding RSI below the price shows whether the stock's overbought or oversold right now. A quick read on underlying momentum. Full screen gives the chart room to breathe. Useful when you're comparing moving averages across a longer stretch of time. That's the core loop. Ask, verify, move on. If you want answers grounded in real data, not guesses, go to Supath AI and try it.